we're going to install the BrightCanary Keyboard. I think you'll be surprised by how easy it is. You'll need to have your child's phone or tablet with you. On the left is the parent's device, and on the right, you have the child's device. There are a variety of places in the app that will prompt you to connect the keyboard. The screen we see here appears after you've added a child in the app. This screen gives you a choice between connecting YouTube or the keyboard. Tap on Connect Keyboard to begin. On the child's device, we have to download BrightCanary. Go to the App Store, type in BrightCanary, and download it there. Once it downloads, open BrightCanary. The first screen you'll see on your child's device has a button at the bottom that says, "This is the child's device." We want to tap that. On the parent's device, there's a code. Enter that code into the child's device. Now the devices are synced. Great. There's one more thing to do, which is make the BrightCanary Keyboard the default keyboard for the child. This step will ensure that they're typing into it because you can have more than one keyboard. This will take 1 more minute. Tap the button that says Open Settings. Then you tap on General. And then on that screen, you scroll down to Keyboard. You're there. Now go up to Keyboards at the top and tap it. On that screen, you should see BrightCanary listed. But then there's the default keyboard. Usually it says English, so what you want to do is just get rid of that default keyboard. Tap Edit in the top right, tap on the red bar, and then the red Delete button. There, you've done it. Your child has the BrightCanary Keyboard in place. We recommend one last step. We want to make it so that the child cannot delete BrightCanary. If you have screen time set up, which many parents do because it works well and is free, you just go into screen time and do not allow the deleting of any apps. Go back to the settings screen on your child's device. Again, you'll tap through to the general screen. Scroll down to screen time, tap on that. Then go down to content privacy restrictions and tap that. Toggle this on if you haven't already. Then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. See deleting apps, tap that to say don't allow. Now BrightCanary is in place and can't be removed from the phone without your permission. The last thing for you to do is to remove the BrightCanary icon from the home screen on your child's device. Just hold your finger down on the icon. When the Actions menu pops up, go ahead and delete the app from the home screen. It's one of those out of sight, out of mind things. Please reach out if you encounter any issues at all. You can email us at support@brightcanary.io.